So for today's video, we are going to compare KuCoin and CoinDCX, which is the two cryptocurrency trading platforms. So first, in KuCoin, it offers a wide range of altcoins and advanced trading options. And the pros of KuCoins are it has extensive coin selection, it also have lower fees and futures trading. And the cons of it is it has only limited fiat support. And in CoinDCX, it is an Indian-based platform that focuses on simplicity and accessibility. The pros of it is user-friendly interface, and it also has a robust security and INR support. While the cons of CoinDCX is it only have a fewer advanced trading features. So in comparison, choose KuCoin for alt variety and futures trading and choose CoinDCX for ease of use and INR transactions. And in conclusion, for advanced trading, KuCoin is better. But for simplicity and INR support, CoinDCX wins.